Hello students, today will we discuss about study skills. ओके आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टडी स्किल्स. स्टडी स्किल्स आर स्टडी स्ट्रेटजीज और डिस्क्रीट टेक्निक्स that can be learned and applied to all or most fields of study. They are approaches applied to learning and generally critical for success in schools. They are considered essential for acquiring good grades and useful for learning throughout one's life. The study skills are an array of skills that tackle the process of organizing and taking in new information, retaining it, and also dealing with assessments. They include mnemonics, which assist in the retention of lists of information, effective reading, concentration techniques, and efficient note taking. Broadly speaking, any skill that boosts a person's ability to study and pass examination can be termed as study skill. Along with time management and motivational techniques, there are various other factors that are included in study skills. Individual learning style. Every person has a different unique learning preferences and styles that suit them. Each individual prefers that their own learning style in varying circumstances. In fact, there is no right or wrong learning style. What matters is the learning style that is best for you, or mix of style. However, by discovering and better understanding one's own learning pattern, can employ techniques that will improve the rate and quality of learning. Okay. Next है key learning styles. फर्स्ट है विजुअल लर्निंग स्टाइल यानी स्पेशल, इसको बोलते हैं स्पेशल लर्निंग थ्रू इमेजरी एंड स्पेशल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओरल है ऑडिटरी यानी लर्निंग थ्रू लिसनिंग साउंड एंड म्यूजिक. वर्बल लिंग्विस्टिक्स होती है लर्निंग थ्रू स्पीच एंड राइटिंग. फिजिकल में क्या आता है इंस्थेटिक यानी लर्निंग थ्रू हैंड्स ऑन टेक्टाइल इंट्रैक्शन. एंड लॉजिकल में मैथमेटिकल लर्निंग थ्रू लॉजिक रीजनिंग एंड सिस्टम्स. सोशल में आता है इंटरपर्सनल प्रेफरेंस फॉर लर्निंग ग्रुप्स और वर्किंग विद अदर पीपल. सॉलिटरी में इंटरपर्सनल प्रेफरेंस फॉर लर्निंग बाय सेल्फ स्टडी. फर्स्ट पढ़ते हैं हम विजुअल लर्निंग स्टाइल. ओके, विजुअल लर्निंग लर्नर्स प्रेफर लेसन्स दैट एम्प्लॉय imagery to tap. These learners retain information better when it is presented in pictures, videos, graphs, and books. Visual learners benefit when the information is presented, preferably via projector or given on the whiteboard. These learners make sure that their notes are in detailed format and that they put in extra efforts in reviewing information from text books. They supplement their learning by frequently drawing pictures, diagrams when trying to comprehend or memorize a subject. Okay. Next, oral learning style. And oral auditory learners retain information Oral auditory learners retain information better when it is presented in lecture format through speech, audio recordings, and other forms of verbal communications. These learners have preference to attend lecture or listen to recorded work. They are also big on sound and music. Are typical singers can play instruments and can identify different sounds. Replacing the lyrics of favorite songs with the information to be learned is a very powerful way to memorize large amount of information. For oral learners, this is an interesting and useful technique to retain information. Next, a verbal learning style. Okay, this learning style involves both writing and speaking. People who are verbal learners usually find it easy to express themselves both in writing, tongue twisters, and Limericks. These learners have a good developed vocabulary and are to assimilate new words into their vocabulary with considerable ease. Reading aloud the concerned subject matter is useful for the verbal learners. Okay. Reading aloud the concerned subject matter is useful for the verbal learners. They can also employ techniques that are word-based, such as scripting and adjunction. These are effective strategies for improving memory and recall of verbal learners. They can also use acronym mnemonics of memorized lists and sequences. Next is physical learning style. Physical learners or kinesthetic or tactile learners retain information best through hands-on interaction and participations. They need to experience things in an automotive repair class. A physical learner would learn better working directly on cars than sitting through a lecture or reading a book about car. The physical learners excel in learning when they are assigned to work in labs. The physical learners should employ touch, action, interaction, and hands-on involvement in their studies and learning activities. Next, logical reading. Logical learning style. The logical learners are individuals who excel in maths and possess strong logical reasoning skills. They are quick to notice patterns and have a keen ability to link information that would seem non-related to others. These learners retain details better by drawing connections. After organizing an assortment of information, the logical learners should maximize their ability to learn by seeking to understand the meaning and reason behind the subject being studied. They should not depend on trying to understand all the details. The use of systems thinking would help better understand the relationship between various parts of the system. This would further facilitate to understand the bigger picture. Will help understand why each component part is important. Next, social learning style. The social learners have excellent written and verbal communication skills. Such individuals are at ease when speaking to others and are also adept at comprehending other people's perspectives. They learn best working with groups and catch opportunities to personally meet the teachers. The social learners are quick to bounce their ideas off others. They are quite successful in working through issues in a group. They enjoy group work and prepare doing group studies. Next is solitary reading. The solitary learners prefer working alone by themselves in private settings. They are never dependent on others while studying or problem solving. They themselves analyze their learning preferences and methods. Since these learners prefer to work alone, there are chances for them to waste time on difficult problems before seeking assistance. However, solitary learning can be a very effective learning style for students. For the learners, it is very important to get the most of the studying time. It would be very helpful to identify their own respective preferred learning style and then utilize it to the fullest. Effective study habits of students. The key to become an effective student is learning to know how to study smarter, not harder. This is applicable as you advance in education. The vast majority of successful students achieve their success by developing and applying effective study habits. In order to increase knowledge and the ability to learn and improve assimilated information, the following habits can be very helpful. Do not attempt to memorize all your studying in one session. The successful students typically space their work over short periods of time. They do not try to give to or go in one attempt. You need to consistent in studies and have regular and shorter study periods. Okay. Plan when you are going to study. The successful students schedule and set a specific time for the whole week when they are going to study. Then they stick to the schedule. Students who do not have a defined study plans and they do sporadic study usually do not perform well. Should create and follow a consistent study routine. When you study at the same time each day and each week, the studying would become a regular part of the life. The student would be mentally and emotionally prepared for each study session, and then each study session would become more productive. Every study time should have a specific goal. Studying without direction will not be effective. You should have know exactly what you need to accomplish during each study session before the commencement of the study session. A goal should be set aside that would support the overall academic goal. Successful students never procrastinate studying. If you procrastinate your study session, the studying would become less effective and you may not get everything accomplished that you plan to do. Okay. Thank you for watching.